रास्ते कभी खत्म नहीं होते मेरे दोस्त, रास्ते कभी खत्म नहीं होता है दोस्त, बस लोग चलने की छोड़ देते हैं। Good morning everyone.
Good morning.
My name is Bobby Kumar and today is a presentation session. And today my topic name is same topic in past presentation. My topic name is bank. Bank is very good, and in this Bharat Ban Bank is a very old bank. In SBI Bank. In SBI Bank is launched 1955 in Kolkata. It's a very big bank in Bharat, and in this Bharat 20,000 plus branch available in Bharat. And number of people in connect the SBI Bank, and because in this bank 2 lakhs people do work in SBI bank, and that's the main. This bank is a very big bank in Bharat, and in this people, rich person and poor person also both person connect the SBI Bank, because in bank all person help. In also farmer person take the कृषि loan, and after the farmer also many types of do work in farming, and that's the main reason in this time in all people to 400 million people open the account in SBI Bank, and all whom also available in bank in SBI Bank account, and that's the main reason in this time is very famous in bank SBI Bank, and this bank is a very old bank in Bihar. And that's mainly in this many types of banks in present in Bihar. That's just like some name I told, the Uttar Bihar Gramin Bank, Indian Post Bank, and this bank is a new bank upload in this time. And this some also Hindustan Bank is a very old bank, and SBI Bank is a very old bank is present in Bharat. And in this time all day in SBI person handle the 1,500 people handle the one day in the work, and this is very good for in all people, and good for, and he is all time in help the all people, and that's the main reason in this a very grow in very big bank. Also number of account open the account in SBI Bank and do work in save the any money. You also many times of lots of money you save the SBI Bank. This bank is a very big branch of Kolkata. And now coming Bharat, many types of branch present in Bharat, just like a 20,000 branch present in Bharat. All city 1 or 2 branch present in SBI Bank, because in this bank belong a very big and very rich person also connect by SBI Bank. Also number of people business people also connect by SBI Bank, because in this bank is very old bank. All that's many in this believe all people believe the SBI Bank. And in this also poor person some money take the money in SBI Bank. This is good. And in this time also in this bank one app you launch in all phone. App is very good. In all this app connect the by SBI Bank, and this bank another people take the money down you very easily. And number of opportunity present in this time in this bank, and past time also sometime you go to all day in go to bank. That's the main reason in this time many types of opportunity present, just like in this time the number of people in say or send the pay phone Google Pay send the money, and this is good for and save the all money. And past time not this bank number of money problem, and number of things also attack the people, and go to in lots of money handle, and I will go to another that time attack the people thief. This is not good. And in this time in many types of bank present. After that some people like the SBI Bank, because this bank is a very powerful bank. In this bank in many times security present, security all time in 1-2 security present in front in bank side, and also some focus in some camera. This is security in this room, and to work this person to work yes and no. That's many in this time a very big thing, and this is good. And in this student also some student open the new account. This account is open that time lost some 200 firstly get money, and after account open the account. This is not good. And And also some in this time many person in take the loan, and after that some person make the home, after do work in some farmer also do work in after that, and this is very good. All bank is not take the money in loan. In some bank also this is just like also in this bank very many types of opportunity. You also use the credit card, and also use the you have a money program, then after you go to in this bank, and also you take the loan. So thank you friends.
Come, come.